What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert tables in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design and then click on Elements in the left-hand panel. You can scroll down to find Tables. You can click on any table that is suitable for your design and it will automatically be added onto your page. You can resize the table by dragging the corners and double click inside a cell to type your content. If you would like to add rows or columns, you can simply click on the three dots and add column or add row. Adjust your table accordingly and click outside to apply the changes. And that's how you insert tables in Canva.